Self-organising teams will still need guidance. With Agile projects, leadership styles are diverse and are based on organisational specific environments, goals and the individuals on the Scrum team. Several leadership styles have been proposed by management literature, such as empowering leadership, shared leadership, self-leadership and directive leadership. Empowering leadership promotes the sharing of power with subordinates in an attempt to raise the level of autonomy of the project team members. The underlying principle of empowering leadership is consistent with that of the Agile principles and values. The Agile principles and values promote shared responsibility among team members. Team members are involved in decision-making processes and even make decisions on their own. Instead of waiting for assignment and command, team members can choose their own tasks and even plan their schedule. This encourages the voluntary, proactive participation of all team members and provides structural empowerment mechanisms that can empower team members. Shared leadership promotes multiple team members engaging in various forms of leadership instead of having one hierarchical leader. Team members lead each other towards achieving project goals. Shared leadership is possible among team members, even when there is a single designated leader. Shared leadership and empowering leadership are similar, but shared leadership takes a more aggressive approach in encouraging team member participation. In shared leadership, team members not only share more responsibility, but also share more authority from designated project leaders. Shared leadership principles are also consistent with the Agile principles. Shared leadership enables capable team members to take on more responsibility and be more proactive in projects. When multiple team leaders share authority, the structure of the team becomes flatter. One designated project leader is no longer a bottleneck for information collection and processing. Such a flat team structure can accelerate faster decision-making and actions, which is in the spirit of the Agile principles and values. Self-leadership is a form of leadership where individuals control their own behaviours and lead themselves to achieve desired goals. Self-leadership believes that all members are capable of leading themselves to some extent. In Agile projects, team members are expected to take more initiative and responsibility in choosing their own tasks, planning their schedules, and participating in team decision-making. Such expectations require team members to exercise self-leadership and lead themselves to achieve desired goals. Directive leadership aims at actively structuring subordinates' work through providing clear directions and expectations regarding compliance with instructions. Such leadership requires project managers to direct team members' activities, estimate costs, time and schedules, assign roles and tasks, monitor and control the project, act as liaison to the customer and upper management, and control changes. Directive leadership plays a major role in traditional projects. The principle of directive leadership is not compatible with that of the Agile principles and values.